Guys, with this particular exchange, you don't really need to pay Tradingview to be able to use a lot of features like adding multiple indicators, customizing your chart, and all of that. Now, what I'm looking at right now is Tradingview, as you can clearly see, and I can use my long position too. If I want to enter, let's say I want to take a long trade around this area, you can see clearly here that I can use my long position to inside of my app in an exchange, not Tradingview separately. This is an exchange. Just hold on a moment. I will tell you. Okay, the link to the exchange will be in the video description, but in a moment, okay, I'll show you. There are a whole lot of premium features that you need to pay for when you are using Tradingview that you can use inside of this app, inside of this exchange, all for free. This is Tradingview fully integrated inside of this exchange. For instance, the time frame I'm looking at currently is the 3-day time frame. If you are using a free Tradingview, you know that you cannot use some of this custom time frame like the 8 hours, the 12 hours. Just as I'm switching right now, you can use all of this. And if you use all of these other exchanges that we've been using, you know that the long and short position tree is not possible to use it. You cannot even use your Fibonacci 2, just as you can see right here. Let's say I want to use my Fibonacci 2. I go ahead and drag this up here. You cannot even use Fibonacci 2 inside all of your exchanges, inside all of these other traditional exchanges. On their app, you can use Fibonacci 2, but this exchange has been able to integrate fully the whole of Tradingview. And if I want to add indicators, let's go. I have one indicator already. And remember, if you are not using a premium Tradingview, you cannot add more than 2 indicators, right? The limit is 2 indicators. So if I want to add indicator, let me go to the indicator option right here. So if I click on it and I click on technical indicator option, I have the option. Let me just add random indicators. Okay, I can add this one. I can add this one, and I can add this one. I'm just adding indicators randomly to tell you that you can use more than 3 indicators at a time with this particular exchange. You can see right here, this is one of the indicator. I have RSI already added here, and then I have another one here, plus my moving average, making it 4 indicators. I'm using all of these features all for free inside of this exchange. And what exchange is this? This is the Bitunix exchange. Bitunix exchange is one of those crypto trading exchanges that is ranking on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, and you can actually start using this exchange. Whether you are using the web version or you are using the mobile version, you have access to Tradingview Premium fully integrated on the platform, and you can use it to start trading crypto. You can use it to start analyzing your chart. If not for anything, for the fact that Tradingview is fully integrated into this platform, guys, this is one app or one exchange that you want to use. By the way, they are doing giveaway. They are doing like 20% cash back for any amount of money that you deposit into this platform. So if you create an account using the link in the video description, all you just need to do is to make a deposit and you can get cash back of up to 20%. So what it means is if you deposit like $1,000, you get $200 back as cash back, and you can use that 200. You can keep your deposited money aside and then use the money that they have given you as cash back to start trading. And the more you trade, okay, there are a whole lot of rewards that they put here together. I'll make more in-depth tutorials about the Bitunix exchange, but just know that if you plan to pay for Tradingview with this app or with this exchange, you don't really need to, because Tradingview is fully integrated inside of their app, unlike other exchanges. If I want to use a long position too, I can go ahead and do that. If I want to use the Fibonacci too, I want to add multiple indicators, I want to use any custom time frame of my choice, I can go ahead and use all of that with the Bitunix exchange without actually paying for all of these things with a premium Tradingview account. I'll make an in-depth video tutorial teaching you about everything about Bitunix, but for now, go ahead, claim your 20% cash back and start using the exchange. And if there's anything you don't understand, you can always use the comment section to ask your question. So go ahead. All of these things are all for free. So go ahead and sign up for an account with the exchange and try it out. And if you want to take advantage of all of our free signals and every other details we share, make sure you join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description or my bio. I'll see you on the inside.